Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python efficiently. To begin, focus on understanding fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, and control flow. Consistent daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, is crucial for building strong coding habits. Select an integrated development environment, or IDE, that simplifies your initial setup and debugging process, making your learning path much smoother. The most effective way to learn Python is by doing. Start with small, practical projects that allow you to apply new concepts right away. When faced with a larger challenge, break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This approach makes complex problems less daunting. Also, consider collaborating with other learners. Sharing ideas and working together can significantly enhance your understanding and introduce you to diverse problem-solving strategies. To further expand your Python skills, leverage the vast array of online tutorials and official documentation. These resources provide in-depth explanations and examples. Once comfortable with the basics, delve into powerful libraries such as NumPy for numerical operations and Pandas for data manipulation. For practical experience, consider contributing to open-source projects. It's an excellent way to see how real-world applications are built and collaborate with experienced developers. Continuous learning is key to mastering Python. Always stay updated with the latest Python versions and community trends to keep your skills relevant. A fantastic way to solidify your own understanding is by teaching others what you've learned. Explaining concepts helps reinforce them for yourself. And hey, while you're building your coding empire, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Investing in quality gear, like your skills, always pays off.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.